Good morning, we're going to make keto bread. 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of warm water, 1 teaspoon of inulin. We're going to mix all 3 of these together. Pick up and first stir the first one, right?
Yep.
It's going great. And now we're going to sit aside for 10 minutes. First, to our big bowl, we're going to add our almond flour. Next, we're going to add baking powders here. Psyllium done. Put that to the side. Stir. Stir very good. Now we're done stirring, we will add our butter. Done. Pick. Now let's put that beside. Now our 7 eggs. Now dump them careful, Mr. Stinky Eggy. Now mix. After 10 minutes, what the yeast looks like. Now we will add the yeast to add all the other ingredients. Let's put that aside and that. Once it's mixed, we're going to set it aside for 20 minutes.
2, 0, 0, 0. Start.
This start?
Yeah.
Now we wait for 20 minutes. Now it's done resting for 20 minutes. Now we are going to transfer it into a baking pan. Scraping off the spoon. Using the back. Now I'm going to look for help to put in for 30 to 40 minutes. We remove the bread from the oven. We let it cool for 1 hour. So I could cut a piece and show you what it looks like. This one right here.
Is it good? Does it taste yummy?